Hi everybody! It's a very simple trick to calm the mind when the mind is racing at night or also during the day. But one very simple meditation is to slow down your breathing. If you're lying in bed or during the day also and your mind is racing, ruminating thoughts or whatever, bringing your awareness to breathing is sometimes not so easy. But if you slow down your breathing intentionally, you can really ease your nervous system, ease your mind. And with awareness to breathing, you really calm down your mind. So I like to guide it for you a little bit, but do it at your own pace. If you want to breathe with me, that's fine. If you want to breathe at your own pace, there's also counted breathing, but then you will bring awareness to counting, which is very, consumes a lot of energy in our head. So slowing down our breathing as slowly as possible, slowly expanding your belly. If you can breathe through your belly, then breathe expanding your chest, and exploring how can you expand your throat, your shoulders, almost your head, your nostrils, and then letting go, exhale. And then the next inhale, even slower and more expansive, really expanding your belly. If you can expand your belly on the start of the inhale, then your chest, then your throat, your head, your nostrils. Every inhale, imagining you can expand like a balloon, slowly expanding the sides of your belly, the sides of your chest, slowing down your breathing as much as possible. And whenever you can't inhale even more, maybe you can inhale a little bit more, and then letting go, exhale. And then the next inhale, feel a bit lightheaded or dizzy, means you're changing your blood chemistry for good. And slowly inhaling again as slowly as possible. Really bringing full awareness to how do you expand your belly, then your chest, then your throat. And then just the letting go, exhale. Really with every inhale slowing it down more. Maybe in the beginning you can inhale for 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 8 seconds. Doesn't really matter. Just trying to slow it down more and more with each inhale. And if you do this in bed, you might be asleep on the 10th, 11th inhale. If your mind was racing a lot, it might go even faster if you were really tired. So it's a very simple exercise to slow down our breathing. A slow motion inhales, slow motion breathing. You can also slow down your exhale. But actually, a sigh opens up space in our lung wings. So I highly recommend that. But you can also train slow motion inhales with closed eyes, ideally, all of it, and then slow exhale as slowly as possible. And during the slow motion inhale, also trying to relax your shoulders or any muscle parts in your body as slowly as possible. Relaxing any part that might feel tense. Sometimes in my shoulders there's tension coming up during the inhale. And then on a slow motion exhale, also relaxing any tension even more, and bringing awareness to really slowing down that activity of breathing. That's been very helpful for me to slow down my mind, to bring myself into the present moment, and get out of whatever. I think sometimes when I'm thinking about something specific or so many things I memorize, it's like a very small part of my brain, and I don't want that to ruin my sleep and my night. So just bringing awareness to really the mind-body connection. And you can believe in mind-body or not, but that's sort of what it is. And the best way is always to try it out, setting an hypothesis that this could help you fall asleep, and then really doing it for a few nights in a row and seeing if that works, and really experimenting with it. What helps you to fall asleep better, if you take a sigh like letting go, exhale, or a really slow motion exhale. And that's it. And then always the 5 things I really find very helpful in life in general, and sort of as a very simple meditation: breathing awareness, of course, But the first thing is relaxation. So, even if you're during the day, relaxation, body awareness, number one. So it could be posture, how are you sitting? Can you sit up more upright, be more alert? Or if you're in bed, is everything as relaxed as possible? That's two things. One thing you can check in, but it's always the mind body. Second is belly breathing, always helpful. I know it, for some it might not look so pretty to have a big belly, but I'm shameless there, just expanding my belly as much as possible. And then expanding my chest and my throat almost. That's really, really helpful physiologically and also emotionally. Third thing is a sigh, like letting go, exhale. So first of all, relaxing the body, posture. Second of all, deep inhale. Third, a sigh, like letting go, exhale. Very relaxing, literally creates twice as much air flowing in. A simple sigh. Number 4 is smiling. Adding a smile to its breathing or in our daily life creates so-called happy hormones. Especially if we don't feel like adding a smile, our body has a positive response. To simplify it. And number 5 is gratitude. I'll end the session as well with a simple gratitude exercise. Just that also changes our blood chemistry in a way, or brain frequencies. Just a simple gratitude exercise. So first, bring awareness to our body. Second, relaxing it or having a better posture. Second of all, belly breathing. If you have never done breathe through your belly, really trying to expand your belly. As babies and toddlers, we all did that only until chest breathing was added at the age of 3 and 4. 3, sigh, a simple sigh. And then number 4, adding a smile during the breathing or in daily life, even if we don't feel like it, or especially then. Number 5, gratitude exercise, how we're ending the session right now as well. There's a sixth thing, repeating all of this over and over and over again, because then we remember. And especially doing all of these with closed eyes helps us, because our visual cortex takes over 70 or something percent of our brain, of our energy. So if we have our eyes closed, then our visual cortex is not so occupied, so we can bring that awareness to our breathing, our mind body, and really training our breathing muscles. And now our gratitude. So I'll invite you to keep your eyes closed or close them, and just bringing awareness. Are you as relaxed as possible? Taking deep inhales, maybe adding a smile, and sigh, like letting go, exhales. And then imagining you have an energy ball behind your navel, or in your heart, navel region there behind you, and you feed it like fire gets fed with oxygen. So every inhale, you feed it with oxygen, that energy ball. And then imagining that on a letting go exhale, you can send out laser beams and rays like a superhero can send out laser beams. But these are like laser beams and rays of gratitude and care. So imagine that energy ball. Now imagining a person you so deeply care about, or a situation where you felt so much supported, so much taken care of. Allowing yourself to be in that situation, to breathe that situation. And whoever it is, a family member, a friend, a situation, received a new job or a check, whatever it is, a smile, an entity, the sun, the ocean, whatever it is, wherever you felt really at peace and supported. Imagining to be in that situation with that person, and then sensing how you feel that in your body. Sensing you feel a bit warmer in your body. Do you feel more relaxed? Feel a feeling of warmth throughout your whole body in the presence of that person and that situation. And then imagining that energy ball in your heart, navel region is supported by oxygen, and it's like a gratitude ball. You can send out laser beams from that region. Deep inhales, amplifying that feeling, that energy ball. And on a letting go exhale, sending gratitude to that person. Deep inhale. And letting go exhale. Deep inhale. And letting go exhale. Now sending gratitude to yourself. You deserve it, just for breathing and being. Deep inhale. Letting go exhale. sending that gratitude from that energy ball throughout yourself. Deep inhale. Now and forever. Letting go, exhale, deep inhale. And then sending it through yourself to yourself now and forever. Deep inhale. Letting go, exhale, deep inhale. And letting go, exhale. And now sending it to all the frontline and essential workers. Deep inhale. Letting go, exhale, deep inhale. Letting go, exhale, deep inhale. And letting go, exhale. Now sending it to all the people we encounter, or colleagues, family, friends, whoever comes to mind. Deep inhale. Letting go, exhale. Inhaling into that feeling, an energy ball of gratitude and care and love, and then radiating that love out. Deep inhale. Letting go, exhale. Deep inhale with a smile. And letting go, exhale. And then one last, the deepest inhale with the brightest smile. And letting go, exhale. So yeah. If you watched this far, thank you so much. I have Instagram and all the stuff. My name is Hannes Bent, and so grateful for you to explore this. I really love breathing so much, and breathing awareness and deep breathing, and all these simple exercises help me a lot to get rid of anxiety and depression and stuff. So hopefully you can benefit from this too. And if it helped you and you think help somebody else, please share any of those practices. There's a lot of other wonderful practitioners who have other incredible methods. I just learned most of these from other people. So please look up breathing techniques, breath work if you like this, or gratitude exercises. I love all of you, and thank you so much.